Finally, another important element of PowerPoint, charts. Chart is exceptionally helpful to visualize information, and it is actually very easy to create nice and chic charts like these in PowerPoint with just a few tweaking. So first of all, there are two types of chart, data charts and logic charts. Let's start with data charts. There are many default charts built in PowerPoint, and usually they are more than enough to cover your needs. Let's try to create a nice bar chart together. First of all, go to Insert and then Chart. Under Column Chart, you can select Cluster Column, 100% Cluster Column, etc. Let's insert a 100% stacked column chart. This is the default look generated by PowerPoint. First of all, resize and fit the chart into the layout. And then delete everything unnecessary, including the chart title and the legend. Adjust the size a bit further. Then you can fine-tune the details. First, select the horizontal axis. A corresponding tab, which is the fourth tab, will appear in the Format panel. Make sure that tab is selected. And here, you can fine-tune all the details related to the horizontal axis. For example, for the labels, you can change the position to be high, which is on top of the bars. You can also change the text color to white. And then select the vertical axis. Likewise, change the text color to white, or even delete it to make the chart cleaner. Next, fine-tune the bars. Select one of the bars, then on the corresponding tab, you can adjust the gap width. Reduce the width to make the bars heavier. For the top bar, you can create a hollow effect by going to Color, then use Eyedropper to select the same color as the background. Then you can go to the second tab and add shadow to the bars. Increase the transparency and increase the blur of the shadow so it is more natural. You can also adjust the distance to enhance the effect. And here you go. It looks like the bars are filling up the tubes. To further enlighten the slide, you can select the bars and add gradient color. Then you can delete the grid lines to keep it very clean. And then you can add the chart title on top, adjust the size, and make sure they are aligned to the center. To show the exact figures, you can select the bars, then click on the plus on the top right corner, and then check Data Labels to show the figures. To further fine-tune it, click on the little arrow on the right, then select More options. Go to the corresponding tab, which is the fourth one, and change the label position. Let's go with Inside and this time. And then you can bold the labels and change the color to white. And here you go, a nice and well-designed chart generated by PowerPoint.